Welcome back. We're nice for now here across the Northwoods. The skies are clear, and we're going to be seeing some sunshine for a bit, but active weather will soon be on the way. We have winter storm warnings in the pink until 10 a.m. Friday. They kick in tonight for our first little round of snow and ice that will be moving in. 1/4 of an inch of ice possible or less, and 6 inches or more of snow possible. That's why these warnings are posted. But the winter storm watches that we see posted, that is for Friday night and the parts of Saturday morning. So 2 rounds of snow that we'll need to keep an eye on too. That'll be moving forward. But for now, we're quiet here across the Northwoods, so watching a little bit of development in Minnesota and Iowa tracking off towards the east. We'll be keeping an eye on that throughout the daytime period. As we're watching another little front that's located right about in here, that'll be tracking off towards the north and east. But this cold front here, another little part of that front right behind it here that's kind of off parts of California. It's all going to get caught up in the jet stream and track off towards the north and east, and that'll give us our opportunity for active weather that will be moving in with rain and snow on the way in other areas, though, that could possibly see some thunderstorms. It's been a while since I've shown this graphic, right? There's a little bit of a marginal risk for some of those storms to get stronger in Adams County. Better opportunities further down toward the south. In fact, if I even pull this map further down to the south as well, this is for Friday, I will stress. So there's an enhanced risk across the good parts of southern Wisconsin and the parts of Iowa and Illinois as well. The moderate risk in the red right there. So if you know anyone on this map here across parts of Iowa, Illinois, and southern Wisconsin, let them know to pay attention that some of the storms could get a little strong in some areas too. In fact, severe is probably the proper term to be using there. But for us, though, no severe thunderstorms expected. A rumble of thunder can't be ruled out, but the better opportunities for a wintry mess will be moving in. We'll have some snow moving in later this afternoon or the evening time frame, possibly mixing with a little bit of ice and rain in some spots at times too, with a break that'll be developing by Friday morning. But by Friday afternoon, a little bit more precipitation moves in before we eventually transition to snow as we head towards Friday night into parts of Saturday. It will also be windy from time to time as well, so we'll need to be ready for that as it does develop. This map right here combines both rounds of snow, the round moving in tonight and the round moving in Friday night too. 9 to 12 inches of snow in the pink before we're all finished up. Other areas you'll see some locally higher amounts, 6 to 9 inches of snow possible near the Wausau area and areas in the blue. In the white shade, 3 to 6 inches of snow possible there, and lesser amounts further down to the south. So active weather and a lot of snow on the way again, and we're talking that heavy wet snow. But a little bit of ice can't be ruled out either as well, especially with the round that will be moving in tonight and parts of tomorrow morning. So 1/4 of an inch or less of ice possible there. That's why those winter storm warnings are posted. But a lot of water with this as well. Look at this here. So if this all follows rain, this is what we could be dealing with, maybe 2 inches or a little bit more before we're all finished up. But some of this will fall on different precipitation types. But either way, a lot of water on the way, so we could be dealing with some flash flooding in a few spots. So we'll need to be ready for that as well. Temperatures will be a lot warmer than what they are right now when this all hits. For now, we're starting off in the single digits, if not below 0. 8 below Land O'Lakes, 5 below Mansowish Waters, 1 below in Tomahawk. But temperatures in the teens further down toward the south where we're starting off this morning. Upper 30s to lower 40s today. Afternoon rain and snow on the way with that south wind getting up to about 5 to 10 miles per hour. By tonight, 29 degrees, rain, sleet, snow, and freezing rain on the way, with that east wind getting up to about 20 miles per hour at times. Northwoods Furniture and Mattress, 7-day forecast. There's that wintry mix moving in for the day on Friday. Most of this will fall as rain, but could transition at times. We'll transition to snow Friday night into parts of Saturday before we catch a break. A little bit of rain and snow Sunday before we're dry Monday, and more active weather again as we head towards Tuesday and Wednesday.